Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Ken's Show and Tell as we continue working on the fuel delivery system in this 1959 Mercedes Benz 220S chassis W180 Ponton. We have pulled sedan. The fuel sending unit out, and you can see it's rusty here, pretty dirty on the body of it. Very delicate instrument. And we're going to clean it up, and then after we clean it up, we shall test acetone on these non-conductive parts. Got it kind of gently. A steel brush. Holding it by this lever so it doesn't flop around. It's really the mechanism inside here. The potentiometer, or the thing that measures it increase and decreases resistance. Now, these things are still available. You can still find them. Now, I don't expect it to shine up like new, but I want to get as much of the crud off as I can. With the gasket, so the cleaner that is, the better seal it can make. Yeah, that does look better. I think it needs a little more work. And of course we'll turn it over and do the other side. This is a video instrument, by the way. The outside is all cleaned up. All the rust is off this rod and where it wraps around this float. I've got it all off, and all the rust is off the body on the outside. What are left are stains, but no rust. And now I'm getting ready to spray some deoxit down inside here, inside this sweeping mechanism. Let's move this back and forth. Perhaps you can see it sweeping back and forth in there. There's the pickup, there's the calibrated potentiometer in there, and the shiny bit is the deoxit just kind of cleaning it. It wobbles just a little bit. I can't feel it. It's not making any scratching noises, but I can see right here. Okay, let me let this dry, and then we'll test it. Let's test our fuel sending unit here. So it sits in the tank like so, and with the float all the way up, that would be full, and all the way down would be empty. All right, turn it on to 200 ohms. Okay, so here we are down around empty, and 3/4 should be right around 60 ohms. So let's move it up a little bit. See how nice it's working? Half should be around 109, 110, and full, all at the top should be about 100, between 180 and 190. So I would say this thing's working really well. Let's go through that again. That's full. And now we're using fuel in the tank. Oh, wow. Okay, and then when I wiggle this thing, it's not, okay, it's making contact all the way up and down. We have saved the instrument. All right. Beautiful.